Hello, friends. Today I am here with one more important book to improve our knowledge and become successful in life. The Psychology of Selling, by Brian Tracy, is a comprehensive guide to understanding the psychological principles behind successful selling. Here's a step by step summary of the key concepts presented in the book. 1. Understanding the psychology of selling. Tracy introduces the importance of understanding human psychology in the sales process. He emphasizes that effective selling is about building relationships, understanding customer needs, and influencing buying decisions. 2. The power of belief. The author discusses the role of belief in sales success. He emphasizes the importance of believing in oneself, one's product or service, and the value it offers to customers. Positive belief leads to confidence, enthusiasm, and persuasive communication. 3. Prospecting and qualifying leads. Tracy explains the importance of prospecting and qualifying leads effectively. He shares strategies for identifying and targeting potential customers who are most likely to benefit from the product or service being offered. 4. Building rapport and trust. The author discusses the importance of building rapport and trust with customers. He shares techniques for establishing rapport, such as active listening, mirroring body language, and finding common ground. 5. Identifying customer needs. Tracy emphasizes the importance of understanding customer needs and desires. He shares techniques for asking probing questions, listening attentively, and uncovering underlying motivations and concerns. 6. Presenting solutions. The author discusses strategies for presenting solutions that address customer needs and provide value. He emphasizes the importance of focusing on benefits rather than features and tailoring the presentation to the customer's specific needs and preferences. 7. Handling objections. Tracy shares techniques for handling objections effectively and turning them into opportunities. He emphasizes the importance of empathizing with the customer's concerns, addressing objections honestly and directly, and providing evidence and testimonials to support the product or service. 8. Closing the sale. The author discusses techniques for closing the sale and obtaining commitment from the customer. He emphasizes the importance of asking for the sale confidently, overcoming hesitation or resistance, and using closing techniques such as trial closes and assumptive closes. 9. Following up and building relationships. Tracy emphasizes the importance of following up with customers after the sale to ensure satisfaction and build long-term relationships. He shares strategies for staying in touch, providing ongoing support and value, and generating repeat business and referrals. 10. Continuous improvement. The author encourages sales professionals to continually improve their skills and techniques through practice, feedback, and ongoing learning. He emphasizes the importance of setting goals, measuring progress, and adapting strategies based on results. Overall, The Psychology of Selling offers valuable insights and practical strategies for mastering the art and science of sales. It provides a comprehensive framework for understanding customer psychology, building rapport and trust, and influencing buying decisions effectively. To know more in detail about this book, you can buy it from the following link below. Please subscribe and click on bell icon to receive the notification when I upload the new book summary. Happy reading!